Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sell digital products on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in of course the Google Podia.com, and then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have, as you can see, the site, we have the blog, we have the product, community, email, audience, and sales. And in the top right corner, we have your profile where you can check out everything and the messages. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and sell digital products on Podia. So to do so, on the top side of the screen, click on products, then click new product. Then here, as you can see, we have the course, download, webinar, and a lot of things. Of course, a digital product will be a course, webinar, or something like that. Choose which, of course, of those you want. You go and create. Put in the product name and description and everything that, of course, the website wants you to, of course, put in, or, of course, that you desire to put in your product. Then click that create product, publish it, and that's it. Set a price, and that's basically that. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.